For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The 13th edition of the IPL is now at the halfway mark, and it will be fair to say that the cash-rich tournament has lived up to expectations considering the circumstances. It has been a roller coaster ride so far, one where fans have been on the edge of their seats with several matches going to the wire. As the tournament now enters the business end, we take a look at three major takeaways from an unprecedented season thus far. Shreyas Iyer and KL Rahul have been touted by many as the future captain of Team India. Heading into IPL 2020, both had the opportunity to prove their mettle as leaders. Halfway into IPL 13, Iyer has shown great composure as a leader, and it will be fair to say that DC skipper has pepped Rahul. Iyer has led Delhi from the front and has showed that he has cool head on his shoulders, making DC one of the best teams of the season so far. His decision-making has been immaculate more often than not, and his performance with the bat has not been affected. While KL Rahul has been brilliant with the bat, his leadership has been exposed. The Karnataka lad has looked flustered at times with his team under the pump, and some of his decisions have been questionable. Looking into the future, Iyer has presented a strong case to be the leader of Team India one day. But the same cannot be said about Rahul, at least going by the last 3 weeks. Another major takeaway has been the performance of Royal Challengers Bangalore. Before the tournament, RCB skipper Virat Kohli affirmed that his team is the most balanced since 2016. As things turned out in the first half of the tournament, it looks like Kohli was spot on with the assessment of his side. RCB's biggest weakness has turned out to be one of their strengths in the UAE. Bangalore bowling has been impressive with both their pacers and spinners ruling the roost in the desert. RCB bowlers who used to get smoked every year at Chinnaswamy Stadium are now enjoying the condition in Dubai. If things continue to click how they are clicking right now for Virat Kohli and his men, then it might just be the year when Bangalore wins its elusive IPL silverware. The final takeaway from IPL 2020 so far has to be the disappointing showing by Chennai Super Kings, and more so by the leader MS Dhoni. Heading into the tournament, all the buzz was about MS Dhoni returning to professional cricket after a lengthy layoff. However, things didn't turn out how the fans or even Dhoni would have hoped for. CSK skipper has looked rusty and completely out of sync. His struggles have been quite evident, and it looks the age has finally caught up with one of the greatest of the game. Dhoni would now look to make amends in the 7 games left for CSK in the league stage. However, it will be a hefty task even for a player of the stature of MS Dhoni.